Hello guys, welcome to the new crypto signal and a new Bitcoin video update. You can call it whatever you want. And this video is about how to make money in just a few coming weeks. There are two ways to make money with this signal. Here, first with the ABC correction, okay, just like this to the next CME gap, I believe. And the next one here, the next one, how to make money. Okay, just here we are riding on wave 5, 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hours, one day, you name it. We are at wave 5, we are at top. Look how close, how squeezed we are right now. And as you can see, Bitcoin price is falling now. I don't know how long it will take, but soon. Bulls can't keep pushing price up and up and up forever, so it has to crash at some point. And I hope it turns like this, head and shoulder, and then we'll see the breakout somehow. And this is the first way you can make money with ABC correction. And second way, how to make money. Okay, just before I proceed to the second method, like how to invest your money smartly. Okay, just switch to Bitcoin dominance chart. Just here. When I look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it's already at the top. I don't know, maybe it's 49 or where, but soon we'll see the price to move down, dominance to move down. So as you can see here, we have like 49 dominance is at 49, and it's pushing up. What is Bitcoin dominance? For those who don't know, Bitcoin dominance is like Bitcoin will squeeze the money out of alt coins, and money will move from altcoins to the Bitcoin. And this shift of money to Bitcoin, which is why Bitcoin price is pumping, and alts will dump. When dominance goes up, alts will bleed into the Bitcoin. Okay, and then when it rejects from here, let me put a little bit emoji. Let's see, where is the hammer? Yeah, let's put some hammer so the price will move to the downside. Okay, I think it's not working. Let me check once again. Okay, and here, okay, we have hammer. So what hammer will do? Somehow it will push the dominance downside, and when it rejects from some point, from here, or from not like this, it's just the glitch. So from here or from here, okay, then we'll see alts pumping. Okay, at least they'll pump in the terms of Bitcoin. If you want to make more Bitcoins, I'm not talking about dollars here, I'm not talking about US dollars, I'm talking about Bitcoin. So when this dominance goes down and then it hits the support, okay, or there is one more support here near about this past one here, there are some supports for dominance as well here. My first support is at 45, and second support is at here at 44, and the final one is here, is here. Okay, final one, you can say up to this line here, right here, we have some supports. You can go back and forth, up and down, but eventually it will hit this some support and then bounce. And what will happen? How? What is the second method? Second technique to make money with this video. Okay, I promise you, you will multiply your money with this video. And let me take you to another chart. Okay, so when dominance will go down, the money will move into alts. Alts, especially in terms of Bitcoin. Example, let me switch to the next chart, which is ADA versus BTC. Okay, this is just for example. There are many more coins which are just still dumping in terms of Bitcoin. Look at this. So the all-time high was the 6,200 Satoshi, and then look at this now. Oh no, wow, this is like 8,700. And I don't know when. This is 2017-18 chart. That makes sense when Bitcoin's one, and Bitcoin was $20,000. And then dominance crash. This moved up in just a couple of weeks. Maybe just 15 to 20 days. Boom! How many X that time people made? Oh man, that's 30X, 32X. Okay, now you have this opportunity, and money will move once there's some sort of support hits. And then when Bitcoin dominance, when it rejects from the dominance, then what will happen? You'll see breakout in terms of Bitcoin. I don't know if your dollar amount will grow, but if you want to make like more Bitcoin, here is your chance. You can make a lot more Bitcoins once a support hits. I don't know if I'm drawing this right. The support. Let me draw a support line horizontally. Okay, here is the next support. Oh wait, here is the next support. Then final one here, and then here. Three supports. I don't know where it will bounce, but when dominance goes down, I'm sure it will bounce and then break this like ADA Bitcoin. You can set alert, draw a trend line on any of your favorite coins, Sol, Matic, Kava, and you name it. Ethereum, even Ethereum is just something like ADA is bleeding. In terms of dollar, I haven't seen ADA. I think it's dumping. But in terms of Bitcoin, it's crashing. It's crashing a lot. Set alert. Breaking, crossing to the upside. Trend line, yes. When you want to get alert, once per minute, and then set alert by ADA in BTC, and grow your Bitcoins. Okay, just set alert. What is the purpose of this video? We can make multiple kinds of money. Okay, one in future. Okay, number one, we'll make money in futures, like Bitcoin, futures, short. Okay, that's leverage. Suggested leverage is just 2x. I don't recommend more because this Bitcoin is actually at a very dangerous position right now. And as we are making this video, prices keep falling. I don't know how much long it will take to go down to ABC correction. I don't know. So 2x. Okay. Method number 2, how to make money with this video. Second one, buy alts which are going down in terms of BTC. So notice when you do this, what will happen? Consequences. Okay, consequences. What will be the consequences of buying alts in terms of BTC? First, risk of losing your USDT balance, at least not losing it like all, but it could hit, it could go down. But when odds will grow in terms of Bitcoin, when this trend line breaks, what will happen? You will also, let me highlight this, you will, in the capital letters, you will also grow your Bitcoins. Okay, after the ABC correction, what will happen? When you grow enough, when you sell at somewhere like 2x 3x with your Bitcoin balance, when you sell it, wait for Bitcoin to pump. Method number 3, how to make money. When I started this video, I said there are 2 ways to make money, but just I realized there is one more way. When you sell your Bitcoin at when you're in terms of BTC, when your Bitcoins grow, your where you lost your some of your USDT balance because of the Bitcoin correction, your BTC will grow, and then sell these alts when it pumps in terms of Bitcoin. Sell into the Bitcoin, okay, and then wait for BTC to pump, okay, and reach new highs of 2023. And then what's next? What's next? Wait to pump and sell your Bitcoins to stable coins, and then withdraw or buy gold, silver, buy property, buy Lambo. I don't care what you buy, okay? Just don't forget to donate me some. So BTC, sell your Bitcoin to the stable coin, okay, and withdraw. Wait, shit. What? Where it goes? Shit. Anyway, this is the video. You can just reverse it and watch. And then what happens in the next? When you sell your Bitcoins into US dollar, withdraw your 80% funds. Okay, then if you want to make 10x, 20x, you can make even like 50x, 50x, 100x. With this method, I don't know how you will manage your money. So I will tell you just how you can earn money. So managing your money is up to you. Okay, how you can utilize this knowledge into your advantage is up to your knowledge, how educated you are, how well you manage your funds, how well you manage your portfolio. Okay, so growth potential of this signal is like infinite depending on your money. If you have like $1,000, you can make 10,000. If you have 10,000, you can make 100x. Sorry, 10x, like 100,000, or from 10,000 to 100,000. This is 100% cross possible. So just see, grow your Bitcoins when it pumps like 200, 300%. I don't know how much it will pump. Let's say 300. If it hits the support here, some here, then it goes up. Sell at some point. Okay, you'll have to sell to make money. You don't grow rich until you take profit. Sell and then wait for Bitcoin to pump. You have 300% up, and then wait for US dollar to pump, and then more. See, 5x, 10x is easy in just coming weeks or months. I hope you are understanding this. Rewind this video and watch it again. Okay, rewind your video and watch it again, and check if you learn it. Just if you understand it completely. This is about the money. This is not financial advice. Just my opinion. Just how I think that's how I feel that things can operate in just crypto. Okay, just Patience is the key. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are doing great. God bless you.